No one can deny neither the legitimacy of the Cougar Eliminator's performance nor the effectiveness of its halo appeal. And today, classics like this magazine-featured Eliminator 428 are a paragon for both collectors and investors alike. In May of 1969, this coupe was delivered to the suburbs of Ford's Atlanta ordering district. Then, as now, the car wore striking bright blue metallic paint under white Eliminator striping that's a perfect complement to the peaked profile lines. That said, Ford's production-focused assembly wasn't nearly as exacting as the car's professional ground-up restoration. This coupe's big presence likely started with big labor, as its sculpted body is nice enough to impress pretty much anyone who lays eyes on it. There is little to fault in the car's two-stage, which presents clear reflections. Between the doors, a correct blue interior features correct high-back vinyl seats that are complemented by black Cougar-themed floor mats. In front of those comfort weave buckets, a monochromatic dash founds factory gauges next to a rebuilt clock, correct Philco audio, and correct Whisper-Aire air conditioning. A simple shifter is caged in clean carpet, and the driver spins an ornate wood-trim steering wheel. Hoist the hood and you'll find 428 cubic inches of legendary date-correct V8 that looks as fresh as the day it rolled out of the restoration shop. Bolted to that V8 is a numbers-matching C6 3-speed that spins a tough 9-inch axle, finished with a Traction-Lok differential and big 373 gears. Mixing a legendary drivetrain with incredible style, the Mercury Cougar virtually defines exclusive Motor City muscle. This magazine-featured Eliminator 428 is a great choice for any collector who's looking for a fun classic that doubles as a great investment. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.